What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today, I'm doing a quick unboxing again because I came home and I had some packages on my front porch. This is probably more stuff I got from Temu, and the way they had it set up, it's like you order some stuff, you get some stuff free. So a lot of this stuff I got for free because it was the way they got that stuff set up. So let's go through it. Some of them I don't know if I can go through though. So let's see what they are. Sweet today. Hope y'all having a great day. Let's open this thing up. It's like a ceramic knife. You would cut the bags and stuff, but it won't really touch you. I bought it from Walmart. I seen some more, so I actually bought some more. That over there? Yeah, I probably ain't gonna maybe cut this one. It's why would the first one just be something that I'm supposed to be showing? It's a corn. It's a corn. It's just a regular corn. It said heads. It said heads I get tail, and it said tails I get head. That's crazy. Like what? I thought it was funny, so I got it. All right, this is the second thing we got. What the heck is this? I can't believe they actually sent it. Yeah. I know if you can see. At the table, already eating. You know what I mean? I thought it was awesome and I wanted to get it. So this is the second item I got. Let's see what's up in this one. Hey, never wanna see today. Oh wow. Okay. This is another wallet. The one I have, it still works, but it's starting to get worn down because, you know, all my winnings are bowling. So, kind of the same kind of, it protects your phone and all that stuff. And it's supposed to have I guess it's supposed to have a slot. I guess it's this. Okay, the back part is the slot, and it raised up my cards up in here. You got a little wallet area, you put your cards and all that stuff, a little bit more organized. So I probably got to change this up because my other one is literally tearing up. So we got a wallet. And let's see what's up in this one, this big old bag. You know, we had to go to the big bag last. And you know, probably clothes. So, you know, I like to wear certain gears. Another one. Bite number 5. This is say black. Say we black. And hairdo. Look at this right here. You know, I gotta get outfits that goes. It's black. I heard the company, the people that make them, is I wanted to support it, and I actually like this. You know what I mean? I got it. This is probably like a large or something. Cause it'd be cold outside. It's the XXL, but I had the bases. You know, with Temu, you gotta look at the size that fit you, because an XXL might not fit a regular XXL person. So you have to go look. So this is an XXL. And it also come in the pants. And I based it based on the waist. I had to go by waist because I wanted to make sure it fit. So this would be able to fit. And I have a little bit of space, you know what I mean? So we got an outfit, the black. I might wear this tomorrow. All right, let's go to the next item. I know some of y'all like this color. So this is why the reason I got it, because I know y'all like this color. Look at this. Got that purple. That purple. Got that purple. Look at this right here. That purple wolf. Can't say we can't. We don't, can't say we don't be coordinating over here. You know what I mean? You gotta coordinate. This is also, let's see what size this is. From this one right here, this size is, it's unknown. The lady's on the bed. On the bed, it's saying it's a mixed color XXL. So this also is the XXL. So let's try to test it and put it on. It might be too big, huh? Ugh. Look at it. XXL. You know what I mean? You gotta look at perfect arm sleeves as well with XXL. So if that fit, the other part gonna be good too. And then another thing, I like hoodies that got the pockets inside where I can put my whole hand. I don't really like the hoodies that you got that zipper or whatever, and it just stops halfway. Cause I like to work out, so I like to have my stuff all the way in, and it keep me warm. Especially when I do all the workouts I do. So we did that one. We gotta try on the black. Cause this is XL too. It's only fair if I tried that one to put on this one. You know what I mean? Look at it. Perfect arm sleeve. Go out there. Got my black on. Little red letter in there, you know what I mean? Like, hey, I see you. I see you looking. You know what I mean? But yeah. That's what I have. I got 2 outfits. I got a wallet. I got 2 outfits, a wallet. Man, I got the purple outfit. I want to get that because I don't really have a lot of stuff in purple. So I wanted to get something in purple. So I still got to get some shoes to go with it before I kind of rock it. But until then, I'll probably have to rock it with some black. But I got that. I got the corn. I also got this picture. The black family eating around the family. Black family eating. How they posted up. You know what I mean? Like, where the ladies at, though? Where the ladies at? Where the ladies? But yeah, that's what I have right now. But whatever y'all do stuff at your own pace, own modification. I probably will put this stuff in the description so you can see where I got it from or what the links are. But remember, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Holla.